Worldwide Wanderers, Chapter 3. Leatherback sea turtles are lone open ocean wanderers. They spend almost their entire lives alone at sea. They come together just to mate. Only females come to shore, and that's just to lay their eggs. Leatherbacks have the widest global distribution of all reptiles. They are found in every ocean except for the icy waters of the Arctic and the Antarctic. They can be found as far north as Canada and Norway. They're found as far south as New Zealand and the southern tip of Chile. Leatherbacks are migrating animals. They make seasonal trips from cooler feeding areas in the summer to warmer nesting places in the winter. They make the longest migrations of any sea turtle, traveling about 3,700 miles or 5,955 kilometers each way. It's a lot of miles. Here we have a diagram or a map with its title is Range and Nesting Grounds. Here we have the Leatherback Sea Turtle Range in red. So here are all the different ranges that they would take on their migration routes. And then all the yellow colors around, oh, that's a lot of places, is the Leatherback Sea Turtle nesting ground. So that's where they would nest their eggs. And here we have a short little section where it says, "Where are you?" Scientists attach tracking devices to female turtles when they come ashore. Sometimes scientists can predict migratory routes based on the information they collect from the devices. People who fish can use this information. Knowing the migratory routes, anglers can move their nets out of the way and keep turtles safe. Vanishing species. The population of leatherbacks is unknown. It is difficult to get a head count of these wandering ocean reptiles. Researchers usually count nesting females and determine the population from those numbers, but this is not an exact count. Many females don't always nest at the same beaches. Scientists believe that most leatherbacks live in the Atlantic Ocean. In 1982, researchers estimated that about 115,000 nesting females lived there. More than half of them could be found in Mexico. In 1996, the population was estimated to be as few as 20,000. It had dropped to less than 20% of what it had been nearly only 14 years earlier. Some populations are nearly gone. The Malaysian leatherback population has dropped from 10,155 nests counted in 1956 to just 37 in 1995. The species is in trouble. People and natural predators have caused the leatherback's decline, but people are also working to stop it. Down here, it says that a species is a group of animals or plants that share common characteristics. Up here, we have a picture of a sea turtle, and it says researchers are trying to find ways to help the sea turtle population grow. And here we have a graph that shows nesting females in Costa Rica only. So up along this, going this way, we have the number of turtles. It's an estimated amount, but the number of turtles that they're finding, and then the year that they're finding. So you can see that many, many years ago, they were, there was a good amount of them. And, 10, 11 years ago, 12 years ago, we're down to this amount, only about 37. So, and well, this is only in one country, think about what is happening in other countries across the world.